And this is a My Jeep update for Monday, July 17th. And here's the new equipment I recently purchased to help me with some of these additional issues. My Jeep update. Purchased additional equipment to help me, hopefully, to solve some of the issues that's popped up. I got the Auto Pro Line smoke machine to help me find that EVAP leak or leaks, whatever. I got the P0455 code, gross leak. Okay, and I got this test light to help me find my draw that's been running my battery down. This test light also shows voltage, and hopefully it'll help me out. I gotta learn how to use it first. And also, this is for everything. I got me a Gulu jump starter. It's fully charged now. Yeah, it's fully charged, and I believe it does. It has enough power to jump off 60 vehicles, gasoline engines, and I forget. I think it's about 40 diesel engines. I may be wrong on those numbers, but anyway, I thought it might be a good idea if I carried this in my Jeep with this battery going down all the time. I've been disconnecting it, but. Anyway, that's some equipment that I've acquired here just recently, still spending money. And for my suspension, I'm looking into that, and I'm getting ready to order some adjustable track rear control arms, lower control arms, and maybe the front too. I'm not sure, but anyway, I've got some axle issues, not completely centered in the rear. Not absolutely sure in the front. The thing seems to drive pretty true, but who knows. I definitely got a issue with the left sway bar end length, rear driver side, not completely lining up. So I got to figure that one out. And I think it's due to my axle being off-centered about an inch towards the driver's side, but I'll have to figure that out, and I'll get back with you on those issues. Whoops, my Jeep out. Here are the control arms I'm considering. They're not very expensive and they're not fancy. I'm waiting to hear back from the seller before I make a decision. I'm trying to make a decision whether these rear control arms will do me any good. Hey, thanks for watching, and please come back. See you next time.